time for me to expose Ashton Hall. Speed versus Ashton Hall. Let's get this shit right. It's over for him. Go! He's slow as fuck. He's slow as fuck. Fuck this nigga. I'm out. Please. Fuck out of here. What I say? What I say? Too slow. Stop playing with me, dude. Get the fuck out of here, bro. Go. And you.
I'm ready to run again. If you really can beat me, I don't want to race you again. Wow.
Hi.